In this video, how to disable laptop keyboard when external plugin. For this, you need to go to Device Manager, find the Device Manager and click it. Once you click this, this pop-up will appear. In this window, to go to our keyboard, click the keyboard options, and once the keyboard option is clicked, you can see the standard PS keyboard is there, and you need to update it faster. And if you have only one, you can do it. If you have too many devices for external, you can no need to do. This is for our internal device. Okay, then check for hardware changes, and after all completing, then after you need to go to properties, and here you can go to power management and make sure the allow the device to wake the computer should be in a turn off mode. If it's turn on mode, you need to turn off it. After turn off, click OK. Then after you need to uninstall it. If you uninstall it, then after if you uninstall after, if you go to a power option and shut down, it will not be shown a keyboard, it will not be worked. So after shutdown, you can put the external device and you can work. And after completing your work, then again you need to go to a power option, and after you can restart your PC, then your internal keyboard will be work.